Today's topic is to split a list having a single integer. There are two methods to solve such kind of a problem. Method 1, that is by a basic approach, and the method 2 by using a map method. Let's start from the first method, that is a basic approach. First we are going to initialize our list. After that we are going to use the list comprehension in it. That is, we are going to go through each and every element since it consists of only one integer. So after that we are going to convert them into the string, and we are going to go through each and every number of our string, and we are comparing that if it is a digit, then we are going to store those integer value in our list number 2, else we are storing them but we are not converting them into the integer. So that's how it makes a difference, and we are having them as an output.